Day 16.
Day 16.
We're over halfway, so we felt like we have to keep it interesting.
Yeah, we have a little bit of a surprise today.
We're going to do a blindfolded tasting. Well, I'm going to be blindfolded.
Kendra's going to put a blindfold on. She's going to open the box, and we're going to see, like...
Try to taste it blindfolded.
We're going to see, like, what wine it is. So do you have any predictions before your blindfold goes on?
Really no.
Maybe I'll put my blindfold... I'll put the blindfold on tomorrow, and I'll do the blind tasting to see.
I have no predictions. I'm open to tasting anything. We had a rosé last.
Yeah. Yesterday. And then, so today, we said...
Probably going to be a red.
Today's going to be a red from South America. I just feel it in my bones. Or every time I say that, it's something from France. So,
yeah.
Okay. Well,
interesting.
Put your blindfold on.
Okay, you're going to have to put it on for me.
All right. I'll do that.
You're going to have to, like, tie it.
Tight.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you see?
Oh, no, I can't see. Where is that? My eyes are closed anyways. I can't even open them.
Right.
How do you open your eyes with blindfold?
Your hair looks fun. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay. Just to make sure that you're not cheating. How many fingers am I holding up?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Take a guess.
3.
All right. I'll open this. Where's your hand?
My eyes are closed.
I know. So this right here. Hold on. Let me pop it for you.
Oh, it's already open.
I just opened it.
Oh.
Yeah, the box. No. Go ahead, right?
This one?
No!
Oh.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you already opened it.
Yeah, I popped it a little bit so you can...
Okay.
All right.
Here.
Yep.
Which?
Yeah.
No, okay.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm not going to give any hints out. You can fill the box, or the bottle.
So it's not a champagne. I've been waiting for like a Prosecco or something. Okay.
Keep them on this side of the table for right now. So we are doing our first blind tasting on day 16 here. So how does it feel so far?
Me?
Yeah, you. No, the other person.
I don't feel anything. I don't know what's going on. This is weird. Obviously I'm gonna know whether it's white or red immediately.
Are you?
Yeah. Are you still opening the bottle?
No. I'll pour a little bit for the two of us. Okay. And then I'll have you taste. But jeez.
What?
Just spilled it all over the table like I've never poured a glass of wine before. I will hand you your glass.
Okay, I'm gonna put my hand here.
Yeah, put your hand out. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you good?
That's a white.
Yeah?
Right? Wait. Yeah, that's a white.
Okay.
Wow.
What's the aroma that you're getting?
Like fruity. Smells like a Sauvignon Blanc to me. That's interesting. Don't we have white, rosé, white?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
3 whites in a row.
They're throwing us off again.
Yes.
This smells like a Sauvignon Blanc from California.
From California?
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Are we...
We could cheers if you can cheers me blindfolded.
You cheers me.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
She almost missed her mouth. She doesn't know where her
I'm
mouth
like...
is.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Okay. I don't know how this works. Like when you're done tasting it, do you have a different region in mind? Or you're firm on California?
I have 2 options.
Yeah.
No, I really don't think it's a Pinot Grigio. My guess is a California Sauvignon Blanc or a Washington State Pinot Grigio.
Final answer.
Those are my 2 guesses.
Do you want to take your blindfold off?
I do. I feel like I'm going to be like treated. Oh, okay.
Close. You're on. Yeah. Actually very close.
Chenin Blanc. Okay.
Yeah, from South Africa.
Wow. Oh.
I'm like, I didn't know if there was a wine that they would have in South Africa.
Oh, it's so bright in here now. Oh, it feels weird.
Look at the cork. So it's like shredding at the bottom. So we found some stuff floating in our wine here, and I'm like, I don't know what that is, but after touching the cork's like shredded.
Interesting.
So yeah, I don't know.
Interesting. Okay. So South Africa, Chenin Blanc. Interesting.
It does have. It's not like a grapefruit citrus.
Yeah.
It is tart.
Tartar, more tart. Tart.
Like lemon tart maybe.
Yeah.
Lemon tart, citrusy, acidic. Does give you like does make your mouth water. Chenin Blanc. All right, so let's read it back. We'll keep this interesting. We'll move it along. So, South African Chenin Blanc showcases a captivating bouquet of white flowers, vibrant citrus fruits on the palate. It offers a creamy and smooth texture. Agree. Complemented by a lingering aromatic finish balanced with a touch of sweetness. It is beautifully harmonious and refined. I don't think it's that sweet.
I don't either. But it smells sweet. It smelled sweet to me when I had a blindfold on.
Really?
Yeah, and I was like, oh, this might be like a Moscato or some weird grape varietal.
Huh. And it's weird, I guess.
Yeah, it tastes Sauvignon Blanc.
When you don't know.
It's good.
Interesting.
Like
12% alcohol by volume. 2024.
Cool.
So.
Want to rate it?
Starlight Wonder. Yeah.
Cool.
West Cape, South Africa. Interesting. First ever South African wine that I've ever drank. Okay, we're rating. So let me taste one more time because I don't feel like I tasted it well enough. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I saw through your card.
Really? Oh.
We're the same again.
Yeah.
Okay, we're like on the same page the past 3-4 wine, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like
I was gonna give it a 7. I was like, I think it's good wine. I think it's good.
yeah, I feel like on this journey of tasting all these different wines, all the blancs or like Chardonnays that are kind of like blancy. I feel like a Sauvignon Blanc, right? So you got that grapefruity, citrusy. We've tasted a couple Chardonnays that are actually citrusy, like feel like almost like a Sauvignon Blanc. I think I'm starting to appreciate the citrus level of some of these white wines a lot more than I have in the past, and I think that's because I'm tasting different things in this box. So, yeah, I think it's a good wine. Not my fit. It's not like I'm like, whoa! Took a sip and it's like blowing my mind, but it's good.
No, it's good. Yeah, it's drinkable.
It's crisp.
Good with cheeses or something.
Absolutely. No, I think this is a nice wine.
Cool. Okay, I like that.
Yeah, it's
Definitely
good.
good.
6.5 on my end, 6.5 on your
I
end.
didn't know Chenin Blanc came from South Africa.
Yeah.
That's cool. South African Chenin Blanc has a storied history that dates back to the mid-17th century. That's a long time ago. Introduced by the Dutch settlers in 1655, the grape was initially known as Steen and quickly adapted to the Cape's climate. The arrival of French Huguenots in 1688 further redefined winemaking techniques, elevated the quality of the wine, and by the 20th century, Chenin Blanc had become South Africa's most widely planted grape variety. Renowned for its versatility and high yields. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
I kind of like having that little extra tidbit because like it's things you didn't know.
Yeah, 1788.
Well, not only that, but the most planted grape in South Africa is Chenin Blanc. I wouldn't even have known what grape varietals they had down there. Like you said,
introduced in 1655.
That's a long time ago.
Yeah. So maybe this, came way before having red wine.
Yeah.
So, really good.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, I feel like for sure tomorrow now is going to be a red. I don't know how.
Yeah, 3 whites in a row.
Yeah, it's a lot. So tomorrow's going to have to be a red. I get to blind taste. Like that's probably. I don't know if it's harder to blind taste a red or a white. I mean, you could at least taste like buttery notes or citrusy notes. Like with red, you have to be kind of spot on to like what are you tasting? Like,
fine. Are you going to be blindfolded?
Yeah, I'll blindfold myself tomorrow too.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm excited to try that.
It's easy to defer between white or red, and then I think you'll do good. Because we know the difference between, I feel like.
Maybe.
Because I could have said this is a Moscato.
No.
You know, it tastes like a Sauvignon Blanc. You'll know.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
It's like riding a bike.
We'll see everyone tomorrow.
All right.
Thanks for watching today.
Cheers.